What's up, guys? Welcome to Tokini Andy. What a mess this table is. Oh my god. Today's a little bit different. I'm really excited because I just received this in the mail. I've been waiting for this for almost a month because it was on back order. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. Nice tape. It got backlogged, I guess. I don't really know. Maybe they had to make some more. Even in America, I think they were out. I don't know. They were on back order until like mid-June. Yeah. They really packed this good. What's this? Cleaning kit. I have no idea what this is, but maybe a lens cleaning kit? It's kind of sweet. I needed to get one of those soon anyway. Oh, I'm so excited for this. This is gonna send me over the top. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. Deity microphones. Ooh. That doesn't sound good. I hope it's not broken. Let's see what we got in here. This thing was put on back order for a month, and if you saw my first video, you know that I needed a mic. So I ended up buying some cheap 3,000 yen mic off Amazon. I don't think you can get it in America, but it actually is decent. You're listening to it right now. We'll do a comparison later. Yeah, 3,000 yen, so like $25 for a cheap mic that sort of got me by for the next few videos at least. But this, bah. Product manual. Oh, look at that. That's just classy. Oh boy. Deity. Let's get rid of that. We don't need that. It's got a little carrying case. Deity, I like the yellow and black. Let's see what's inside. Wow, it's huge! How am I gonna put this thing on my little Canon Kiss X9 or SL2 in America? Here's our little dry pack. Take a look in there. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. I think I just lost an important piece. Be right back. There's the mic jack and a USB-C cord. I'm not positive what that's for. Whoa, it's for charging. Oh my goodness. Look at this bad boy. It's huge. I was not expecting this. The comparison, like the little mic on top of my camera right now is literally this big. So comparatively speaking, there is no comparison. This thing is, whoa, massive. Take a look at that. It's gorgeous. It's also, oh, is that flimsy? Is that okay? It feels like it's gonna break. Oh, I don't know. It's beautiful. I'm gonna need a much bigger windsock because this doesn't have one. What's all these buttons? Oh my god, I have so much to learn. I'm still learning about Adobe Pro, Adobe After Effects, Illustrator, filming, trying to edit colors and, you know, audio as much as I can, but now I've got to learn how to use this new bad boy. Oh, look at that. You can change the volume on the back of the mic. From now on, I think my audio game might level up just a little bit. I don't know. I might still be terrible at it, but all in good time, all in good time. So yeah, this has literally nothing to do with Japan, Japanese, Shinshu, Nagano, Tabi, traveling, whatever. Or what else do I do? Music. It also has nothing to do with music. Well, it's not completely true. I guess mics are kind of important for music. But that's okay. Because this is really exciting. Alright. Directional condenser mic. I've got a lot of reading to do. Oh, phone call. Hoi, moshi moshi. あれ? 全く聞こえない。もう帰る? 今、ビデオを作っています。マイクが来ました。アンボックシングビデオ。そうそう、オープニングボックスビデオ。そう、その通り。いや、ボクシングしてないね。ボクシングはしてない。そうそう。このマイクはでかい。じゃあ切るね。待ってます。 Never thought I'd do that on camera. Now we're gonna try a sound comparison. So this is my small 3,000 yen mic from some random company. Deering. My little tiny 3,000 yen Deering mic. Feels cheap, but it gets the job done. And this is the sound test of the Deity V-Mic D3 Pro. I think it cost me 24,000, so $200-ish. I don't know, can you hear the difference? I guess we'll find out. I imagine it sounds a lot better than the 3,000 yen mic from Deering. But one thing that I forgot to mention is, and something that I didn't even think about, is that the Deity mic has to be charged, which is cool. I mean, I don't have to replace the batteries. Is that cool? I don't know, replacing the batteries might be nicer when you're on the run. But it needs to be charged, whereas the Deering mic was really small, so I could actually just plug it in and it actually ran off that power from the camera. I think that's how it works. So anyway, this has been a test of the Deity mic. I don't know, there's a lot of features that I haven't played with yet. I haven't played with any of the features yet, but I think it's going to be a worthwhile investment. In a few days, you're going to get a video about... I'm not sure. Stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button. Like down here. If you really want to hear more from me, there's like a bell thing over here. Hit that too, and there will be more from me soon. Hopefully with way better audio. That new mic smell. Anyway, thanks for watching. This has been Tokini Andy. And I'm Andy.